Hey guys, good to see you guys again. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so sorry for being away for so long. It's been about 2 months now. I haven't uploaded a video on the channel. My apologies. I promise to do better going forward. So yeah, I thought to come back to the channel with something fun, and today provided that opportunity. It's Cultural Day at Crandall University today, and I'm going to take you guys along. It's going to be fun, food and fashion. There's a lot of dancing. It's always fun. Like, this is the second one this year. I'm an old student now, so yeah, so I'm just going to have fun, make some videos for the vlogs. I'll show you as much as possible. Today is a rainy day, like it's 100% rain. It's a Saturday. The whole week has been rainy. Okay guys, see you at the venue. Currently at 4 Points by Sheraton. Waiting to take the elevator and go down where our event is. Ready for the party. Currently at the venue. This is the room for photo shoots, videos and stuff. It's going to be here for 1 hour, and then we'll go into the main hall. But this is fun. Having fun already?
You need to come here. And lady, you too.
So
we do it with the guaya. How do you call it in English?
And everything that defines us. It will also be an opportunity for us to learn about one another.
Good. I love your dress. So beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Give them.
maybe some chicken.
Nice. This is Adiola from Nigeria.
Because they have taken their time to come and do a fashion parade, we're going to ask them a few questions, and they are going to walk across the stage. And please, when they do so, give a round of applause for them. So the first contestant is from Nigeria, and we have Mr.